Welcome to the Santa Barbara County Community Data Dashboard and this brief video intro to how it works. Your browser should recognize whether you're using a computer or a mobile device when you arrive and open the right version for you, but you can change versions here. You can also switch between English and Spanish, and as you can here in the upper right-hand corner. For the best viewing experience, expand your browser window as much as you can. The dashboard is organized by topic into these tabs across the top. This one shows how we're doing on state reopening metrics. Each tab is made up of a number of panels that we call widgets and includes one in the upper right-hand corner showing the latest update and how frequently it gets updated. Widgets can present one item like our current status or a stack of items like this data on cases in the community. Data is presented in a variety of ways in the dashboard. Here in the Cases tab as single data points and as charts. Each chart is titled to tell you what's being presented. Each axis of the chart is labeled. And finally, the legend allows you to match data and colors in the chart. Many of the charts are interactive and adjustable to allow you to decide what you want to see. You can change the time sequence on a chart using the scroll bar across the top, which is useful if there's a spike that makes smaller, more recent changes difficult to see. You can also turn data sets on or off in each chart by clicking on their name or symbol in the chart legend. This is similarly helpful if there's a large outbreak in one part of the county, as in Santa Maria here. Turning it off allows you to see what's happening in other places more clearly. We also present data in the form of maps, as in this map of new cases in the county. Here, each circle is scaled to show the number of new cases relative to other areas for this particular data point. You can click on the circles to see data about the area and the number of cases. You also can see the geographic area that's being reported on. That same data is presented here as bar charts and here in table form for easy comparison. In other cases, we present data as a gauge, as with healthcare capacity here, where we're showing the percentage of hospital beds, staffed ICU beds, and ventilators currently in use across the county. Here on the demographics tab, we're presenting data in the form of stacked bar charts that allow easy comparison, as here where we can see that people over age 70 have much higher hospitalizations and deaths than their case count or population would indicate. Here on the Community Impact tab, or in the mobile version tabs, we present data on the economy and work, education, food, shelter, and healthcare from a variety of agencies throughout the county. We're adding more partners and data to this section over time to paint a clearer and clearer picture of the impact that the pandemic is having on our community. The remaining tabs show other websites that are duplicated here to make this a one-stop shop for critical information on the pandemic. The dashboard's produced by a public-private partnership, including many agencies and organizations, with the County Public Health Department EPI team first and foremost among them. You can read a bit about the dashboard and our partners here, and you can provide feedback, suggestions, and input via email to dashboard@legacyworksgroup.com. Thanks for visiting, and we look forward to hearing from you.